little unicorn. Maddie, do you want to go to Mommy's room? That is one of the cutest things I've ever seen. Yes, you have a hat on. Let's go look at you.
Come on, let's go look in the mirror.
Come on, little unicorn. Okay, hold on. Maddie, look. Maddie, come here.
Maddie, come look in the
Oh,
mirror.
we should have closed that.
Come here. Come here. You're fast.
She's a quick little unicorn.
Come here a minute. Come here. Oh, come here.
Oof.
Let's go look in the mirror.
Oh.
Go look in the mirror and see you. You silly thing. You silly thing. Where's Maddie? Where's Maddie?
Look at you. Do you see yourself? You're a unicorn. Yeah. Oh, look. Hi, baby. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Do you look so cute? Yeah. See, Mommy, maybe you clean the glass door sometimes. Come here, sweet pea. Oh, that's adorable.
Okay, Maddie. Turn around, see Mommy.
Maddie. Hi, little butterfly. She's like, I want it off. Come here. Look at your hat. Are you wearing a hat? Yes, with little antennas?
Is that hot?
Yeah. Okay, you can
Okay,
take it
wanna
off
take it
now. Show us big lunch belly. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Here, let Mommy help. Okay, now you can carry it around. Bobby.
There's the cat.